welcome to Sandra's Accounting Channel. This episode will be discussing the T account. Hope you like it. T account is a visual representation of individual accounts that looks like a T, making it so that all additions and subtractions to the account can be easily tracked and represented visually. Besides, T account is also an informal term for a set of financial records that uses double entry bookkeeping. So, what is double entry? Double entry states that every financial transaction has equal and opposite effects in at least two different accounts. It is used to satisfy the accounting equation, which is asset equal to equity plus liability. This is how a T account looks like. An account title at the top horizontal line of the T, a debit side on the left and a credit side on the right. When there is a financial transaction, the transaction will be recorded into related accounts. Whether to debit or credit, it depends on the group of the accounts. Let's look into an example. In 2020 December 31st, a delivery van was purchased for 20,000 ringgit and was paid by check. The double entry would be debit delivery van 20,000 ringgit and credit bank 20,000 ringgit. So this double entry system shows that the company now has 20,000 ringgit worth of delivery van and a corresponding 20,000 ringgit less in cash in bank. This is a T account that you are required to prepare for this financial transaction, where you need to prepare for a delivery van account and a bank account. So you can see that we are debiting the delivery van account with the details of bank, which means that you are purchasing a delivery van by using the money in the bank. Meanwhile, the bank account was being credited, which means that the money in the bank reduced in order to purchase the delivery van. So you can see that at least two accounts will be recorded for every transactions. Let's do an exercise. In 2021 January 2nd, a long-term loan was received from the bank for 10,000 ringgit. The double entry is debit bank 10,000 ringgit and credit bank loan 10,000 ringgit. This double entry system shows that the company now has 10,000 ringgit more cash in bank and a debt of 10,000 ringgit to be repaid in long term. Alright, you are given 30 seconds to try this question. You may write down your T accounts on a piece of paper and check your answer later. Alright, time's up. Let's check the answer. So your T account would somehow look like this. There should be a bank loan account and a bank account. The transaction will be recorded on the credit side of the bank loan account and the debit side of the bank account. This is because the liability of the company increases, so we need to credit the bank loan account. And at the same time, the money in our bank account increases too, so we need to debit the bank account as it is our asset. Alright, so have a quick recap on the lesson we have learned today. So basically, T account is a graphical general ledger which is used to record the double entry. And every financial transaction has at least two accounts to record. Make sure there is always at least an account to debit and an account to credit. 看完了吗？如果觉得不错的话，请记得给我一个 like，帮忙 share 还有 subscribe 哦。 如果有什么问题要问的话呢，你可以 comment below. Okay, I will try to get it back to you. So see you in the next episode. Bye bye.